Well, it is a massive setback for Mamata Banerjee's government in the teacher recruitment scam. The entire panel of 2016 SSC recruitment has been declared null and void by the Calcutta High Court today. All appointments from 9th to 12th, Group C and D, where irregularities were found, has been declared null and void as well. The court has instructed the administration to take action on fresh appointments in the next 15 days. Entire 2016 School Services Commission panel scrapped 23,000 appointments have been cancelled as per the latest verdict by the Calcutta High Court. The SSC will conduct the recruitment in a fresh manner. Those who were recruited illegally will also have to return their salary within 6 weeks. And most importantly, the CBI is at liberty to take in custody whomsoever it wants for the purpose of investigation. Let me go across to Adrija joining us with more details. Adrija, it's a big setback for Mamata Banerjee's Sarkar. Entire 2016 SSC panel scrapped. 23,000 appointments with this particular verdict from the Calcutta High Court stand cancelled. What's the way forward really as per the verdict that's coming from the High Court, and how is the TMC perceiving this?
Well, absolutely. You see, the Calcutta High Court today have declared the entire panel of 2016, the appointment made by those panels, to be null and void, and therefore all the people who have got jobs, which was the appointment which was given by the 2016 panel, their jobs will be cancelled and they have to return back their salaries as well. And at the same time, the court has also said that a new process for recruitment should start 15 days right after the elections, within 15 days right after the elections, and so that these posts are filled as soon as possible. And at the same time, the court has also identified that several irregularities have happened, and the CBI therefore has investigating the case and will continue to investigate the entire matter of SSC irregularity scam and the recruitment irregularity scam. And therefore, the court has also said that the marks have been found, that different marks in the OMR sheet and different marks in the website has been reflected. At the same time, several ranks were jumped, even appointments were given after the validity of the panel had expired. So keeping all of these irregularities that has happened in mind, the entire panel of 2016 now has been declared null and void.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile?
It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates?
Kane by. It's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।